What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do retail arbitrage. Now, this is by far the easiest way to save up a couple $1,000s or even a couple hundred a month, depending how much work you want to put in, and is very, very low risk. This is initially what I did a little bit of to save up for Amazon. Now, what retail arbitrage is sounds confusing, but all it is, in short, is taking things from one place where they sell them cheaper and reselling them somewhere else online. So an example would be I go buy something from Target, it's on clearance, and I resell it on Amazon and it's selling on Amazon for a higher price. Now you can do this on Amazon, you can do this on eBay, any platform where you sell. Amazon, it's very easy because you can list under people's listings that already exist, so you don't have to worry about trying to rank it and create an entire listing, take pictures. And the best part is, all you have to do, someone buys it, you package it up, send it in, and you're good. Or you can send in an entire box and have Amazon do it all for you, which I will be talking about. So this is going to be a two-part series. This is going to be part one, and I'm going to show you how to do all the research here. Part two will be the back-end stuff on Amazon, so how to create your listing, how to ship it up, and all that. So how am I finding products that sell for way less that I can resell on Amazon for higher? And you're probably asking, well, why would people buy it on Amazon if it's more expensive? A lot of people don't price check and they assume Amazon has the best deals. And if you're a Prime member, you get free 2-day shipping. That's a big incentive for a lot of people. So all I'm going to be doing is going through a couple ways that I find these cheap products. So the first one, you can go to literally any store's website and look under their clearance section. You can go in store and do this in person as well. So what I'm going to do here is I'm on Target's clearance page right now. And I literally just looked at one product. This is the first thing that pops up. So I'm on clearance and I decided to go under the electronics department because that's always where I've been finding good deals. So I looked at the first thing, it's printer ink. I kind of just skipped over that because it wasn't showing me a price. Now next, I saw this for $28.49 with free shipping. Now, I went over to Amazon, I copied this title exactly, and I searched it up. And would you look at this? It's selling for $60. $60. Now, we will have to take into account some Amazon fees and whatnot, but that is very easy. So from $60 all the way to, let me move myself over here. So from about $30 to $60, and maybe we have about, we'll just say $7 in fees, so we just made $23. That's almost 100% return on investment. So I could do the same thing with this. Sells for 21. Right now it was 43. I could look that up and I could scroll through here and just look at numerous different things, what the discount is. Now maybe I don't want to be in electronics. Maybe electronics normally do pretty well, baby does decent, and toys usually do pretty well. And with this kind of stuff, you do want bigger name items. You want things that people know about. That, again, this is already a listing on Amazon. All I have to do is click sell your own, and I just put my price, and if it's new or not, and that's it. And I'm automatically here. And if I have the lowest price, if I went and put mine at $59.99, then I would rank right here. And when someone clicks add to cart or buy, they would add mine and they'd buy it, and then Amazon would pay me. So it's very simple, and there's tons of different sites you can do this. There used to be a large coupon site called Fat Wallet, but that got taken down. There are multiple other websites like Retail Me Not. You can look at all the discounts on there and go through that. Like I said, Target.com. Now let's look at, what should we look at? Let's go over to toys. Where did toys go? Toys. So 93 on clearance. Toys, they move in and out very quick. Same with electronics from what I've noticed. Now, one thing I normally do, click on this. Because of the Amazon fees, which is 15% of the sale price, and whatever the FBA fee is, if you're having Amazon fulfill it, I normally choose $15 to $25. Now, it's not saying I bought things for $1 that I've sold for $12. So obviously there will be money to be made there, but I select these two just because it's higher profit for the same amount of work. So this one right here, $18 was $60. Now, I don't know how much I believe these prices, but I'm going to go search up this product right here. So I'm just going to copy this and bring it back to Amazon and just search and see what it is. Now, if you're doing this, make sure you're in all departments. I was not. Now, they might not have this product on here, so it doesn't look like they have this. So I would just go to the next product and I would do the same thing. Now, another website you can use for this is called Retail Me Not. Now, there are tons of different coupons, so I just click on clearance sales and I want electronics, let's say, and we'll just leave it with that. Now, I can scroll through these and I can see, okay, 60% off, 90% off retail, so that's just games. So electronics is where I found most of my success with this. You can go through, you can see there's 13 pages of this. You can cut it down even more if you wanted to. If I wanted to say, okay, what about sporting goods? What do we have here? And it will show you all the stores, all their sales. And a lot of times these prices won't be updated on Amazon because a lot of them do have stores and sell on Amazon, but their prices do not change. Now, you can do this in person as well, which you will find a little bit different success with because stores will have clearance items in store based off of what they're selling at that location. So you might have some items that are clearance at Target in like 5 minutes from you, but 20 minutes from you, they're 100% full price because it's selling well over there. So with the online store, it's mainly just all of Target. While when you go into your own store, again, it can be Walmart, it can be Target, it can be Kohl's, it could be Payless Shoes. I don't care what it is. I've done all of those. So, and you don't even have to leave if you don't want to. There's so many different websites online. You can see all these offers up here. This is by far the easiest way to save up money if you guys are trying to save up to invest or start your own business or whatever it is. Retail arbitrage is the way to go. So tomorrow I will be uploading part 2, which will actually explain, okay, we're going to buy this product, we're going to ship it to Amazon and do all that because it's a lot easier than you would expect. And I'm really surprised not a lot of people are doing it because you could spend less than an hour a day doing this and make an extra $1,000 a month, no problem. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below and I will see you guys in part 2 tomorrow.